Dorothy, what does a doggy say? That's right. What does a lion say? You say roar. You say roar. What does a monkey say? That's a good one. Dorothy, what does a monkey say? Should have done the monkey before the roar. Dorothy, you say ooh ooh ee ee. Who's that?
What does he say?
What's that? Doggy. What does a monkey say, Dorothy? What does a doggy say?
You're stealing my identity.
Dorothy, come back with mommy's ID cards. What does a monkey say? Yo, too much pressure. Paparazzi. They're everywhere. Ooh, ooh, ee, ee.
Dorothy, can you jump?
You
Can
jump?
You jump? Good job.
Yeah. Good jumping. We're approaching our 2-minute limit, Dorothy. You gonna talk like a monkey? Ooh, ooh, ee, ee. Woof, woof. What does the elephant say? What does the elephant say? Yeah! Good job! What did the monkey say? He say ooh ooh ee ee. That's pretty good, Dorothy. Everybody's gonna be impressed, don't worry.